Mitchell is blaming the Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, Rhoda Moy Crawford, for what he's calling the poor roads in the constituency. He will be seeking to unseat Ms. Crawford at the next general elections. In the 2020 elections, Crawford defeated the PNP's Peter Bunting in central Manchester by nearly 1,000 votes.
Mitchell, of course, was speaking at the PNP's Knockpatrick Divisional Conference in Manchester on Sunday. Here's what he said.
Rainfall yesterday. We're not sure about today, but we know it fall yesterday. Because him driving around and pick up a flat tire and a new brand tire them. 95% of the roads that have been flooded yesterday are the responsibility of the Member of Parliament. Are you talking about you don't have no money to clean drains? It is your responsibility. Down that Bellier, can't broke down in the water. When you come on to Buena Vista Circle, can't broke down in the water. When you come up further up the road to go to Fisher Road, one in a pool of water. When you go near Soldier Camp on Manchester Road, all the police bus could have hardly go through the water. And you're talking about we at the Manchester Municipal Corporation. We are not doing anything. Mash down that line.
Mayor Mitchell wants Rhoda Moy Crawford to provide evidence of the infrastructure development undertaken in the constituency.
When I go to Clarkstown and the young boys are talking to me, them say them tell her to leave the place because she don't know down there. When I go to certain places in this constituency and this division, people say don't come back in here because you never used to come here. I want the Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, and you can type on the news, to show me one tangible infrastructure work that she has done in this constituency since she's become a Member of Parliament.